Hey everyone, it's Ram and welcome back to Holistic Health Haven. Today, we're uncovering the health benefits of cardamom, often called the Queen of Spices. Let's explore how it can improve your overall well-being. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Now let's dive into the incredible world of cardamom. First things first, let's talk about why this spice has been revered for centuries. Cardamom is like a tiny treasure chest of essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking vitamins C, A, and B working their magic to support your immune system, vision, and energy levels. Cardamom brings the minerals 2 calcium for strong bones, potassium for healthy blood pressure, and magnesium, the relaxation mineral to help you unwind. But one of the most impressive things about cardamom is its wealth of antioxidants. Antioxidants are like your body's own personal defense squad, fighting off those pesky free radicals that can cause damage to your cells. Cardamom swoops in with its antioxidant power, helping to combat inflammation and oxidative stress, so you can enjoy that delicious cardamom-infused dish knowing that you're doing something amazing for your health. Let's face it, we've all been there. That uncomfortable, bloated feeling after a meal. Well, cardamom might just become your new best friend. It's been used for centuries, especially in traditional medicine, to ease digestive discomfort. It stimulates the production of digestive juices, helping your body break down food more efficiently. And for those times when indigestion strikes, cardamom can come to the rescue, calming the stomach and reducing those unpleasant symptoms. By promoting healthy digestion, it helps prevent issues like bloating, gas, and constipation in the first place. So adding a pinch of cardamom to your meals could be the simple yet powerful change your digestive system has been waiting for. We live in a world surrounded by toxins, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. Over time, these toxins can build up in our bodies, leaving us feeling sluggish and just not our best. Now, imagine a natural way to support your body's natural detoxification process. That's where cardamom comes in, acting like a gentle cleanse for your system. This incredible spice works its magic by supporting 2 key organs, the kidneys and the digestive system, both crucial for flushing out toxins. Think of cardamom as giving your body a gentle nudge in the right direction, helping it eliminate waste products more effectively. By promoting a healthy gut environment, cardamom indirectly aids in detoxification. So, incorporating cardamom into your diet can be a simple yet powerful way to support your body's natural cleansing process. A bright, healthy smile is something we all desire, right? Well, good oral hygiene goes beyond just brushing and flossing. And believe it or not, cardamom can play a surprising role in keeping those pearly whites sparkling. Cardamom possesses natural antibacterial properties, making it a powerful ally in the fight against bad breath. Those tiny cardamom seeds pack a punch, neutralizing odor-causing bacteria in your mouth. Cardamom's antibacterial action extends to fighting the bacteria that can lead to cavities and gum disease. So chewing on a few cardamom pods after a meal can freshen your breath and promote a healthier mouth. Taking a deep, clear breath is something we often take for granted, but for those with respiratory issues, it can be a daily struggle. Now, imagine a natural way to support respiratory health and breathe a little easier. That's where cardamom steps in, offering its soothing properties. Cardamom has this incredible ability to act as a natural expectorant, helping to loosen up mucus in the respiratory tract. This can be especially helpful for those with coughs, colds, and even asthma. Cardamom's anti-inflammatory properties can help calm inflammation in the airways, making it easier to breathe. So, whether you're battling a cold or simply want to support respiratory health, adding cardamom to your diet or using it in aromatherapy can make a world of difference. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of calm and tranquility is more important than ever. And believe it or not, the simple act of incorporating cardamom into your life can have a surprisingly positive impact on your mood. Cardamom's captivating aroma has long been celebrated for its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Those aromatic compounds work their magic by stimulating the release of feel-good chemicals in the brain, promoting a sense of relaxation and well-being. Whether you're adding it to your food, brewing a cup of cardamom tea, or simply inhaling its intoxicating scent, cardamom can help melt away stress and uplift your spirits. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, reach for cardamom. Imagine this: a chilly morning, a warm cup of tea in your hands, and the inviting aroma of cardamom filling the air. Adding cardamom to your tea or coffee is one of the simplest yet most satisfying ways to enjoy its unique flavor and, reap its incredible health benefits. The warmth of the beverage combined with the fragrant spice creates a symphony of flavors that is both comforting and invigorating. Simply crush a few cardamom pods and add them to your tea leaves or coffee grounds before brewing. You can also simmer a few pods in hot water for a few minutes to create a soothing cardamom tea, so why not elevate your daily ritual with a dash of cardamom? Cardamom isn't just for beverages. It's a culinary chameleon that can add depth and complexity to a wide range of dishes. From savory curries to sweet treats, cardamom's versatility shines in the kitchen. One of the most popular uses for cardamom is in Indian cuisine, where it's a staple ingredient in many curries, stews, and rice dishes. Its warm, slightly sweet flavor pairs beautifully with coconut milk, tomatoes, and a variety of spices. It adds a touch of exoticism to Middle Eastern dishes, a comforting warmth to Scandinavian pastries, and a unique twist to savory sauces and marinades. So don't be afraid to experiment with cardamom in your cooking. Who says healthy can't be delicious? Blending cardamom into your smoothies is a fantastic way to enjoy its unique flavor and boost the nutritional value of your favorite drinks. The slightly sweet, citrusy notes of cardamom complement a wide range of fruits, vegetables, and other smoothie ingredients. Imagine a tropical green smoothie with spinach, mango, banana, and a pinch of cardamom for an exotic twist. Or a creamy berry smoothie with almond milk, blueberries, raspberries, and a sprinkle of cardamom for a warm, comforting flavor. Cardamom not only enhances the taste of your smoothies, but also adds a boost of antioxidants, fiber, and other essential nutrients. Cardamom's therapeutic benefits extend beyond the kitchen and into the realm of aromatherapy. Cardamom essential oil, extracted from the seeds of the cardamom plant, possesses a concentrated dose of the spice's soothing and invigorating properties. When inhaled or diffused, cardamom essential oil can work wonders for stress relief. Its calming aroma helps to quiet the mind, ease tension, and promote a sense of tranquility. For an uplifting and energizing experience, add a few drops of cardamom essential oil to your diffuser. Its warm, spicy scent can help to combat fatigue, boost focus, and improve mood. Cardamom is a powerful spice that offers numerous health benefits and can easily be added to your daily routine. From boosting your immune system to improving digestion and promoting relaxation, cardamom is a true gift from nature. Start using cardamom today and experience its transformative effects on your health. Incorporate it into your meals, beverages, or aromatherapy practice and discover the incredible versatility and power of this remarkable spice. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Holistic Health Haven for more health and wellness tips.